Hello everyone, I'm Brian with ZimCo Survival and I'm back again today. And today I'm going to do a quick tips video. Now, this is not of a specific product that I'm reviewing like normal. This is more of a mismatch of products that I found that works really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show this to you guys, explain what it is, and then the parts to make this yourself if you want to will be in the description. I'm going to have affiliate links to each one of these two parts. That I found work really well together. So first let me get into some backstory about why I made this thing, why I hunted it down and actually figured out how to make one. And that is the fact that I got tired of carrying around stainless steel canteens. Now I understand that a lot of people, especially in the survival community, like stainless steel canteens because they can sit down and boil water in them and all that other stuff. I already have pots for that. I think that anybody got back should have cooking equipment, and I don't think a canteen is proper cooking equipment. So I already had pots for that, and I decided, you know what, stainless steel is really heavy. I want something that's lighter, but I want something that gives me 2 liters. I wanted a canteen that I could have a full day's worth of water in it, at least for my environment, 2 liters a day. I wanted something that I could have a full day's worth of water that was extremely durable and lighter, significantly lighter than stainless steel. And I looked at a number of different things. I looked at things like you know, the standard Nalgene bottles and stuff like that, and I decided what about, and my problem with Nalgene bottles, let me just clarify, I don't like Nalgene bottles because in my experience they always break. I know they're supposed to be durable, but every time I've dropped one it has cracked. Without fail, if it's like an iPhone, you drop it, it breaks. So I decided I didn't want another Nalgene bottle. I wanted something that was more durable than that, which is the reason I switched to stainless steel in the first place. But the weight of the stainless steel was just too much. So I went ahead and I said, you know what? What if I found myself a bottle that was the original Nalgene? Now, Nalgene was originally made for chemicals, you know, storing and holding chemicals. So they're chemically inert. They don't leach chemicals or anything into your water or food or whatever it happens to be. And they're known for being very durable because when you have sulfuric acid in something, you don't exactly want it to break open. You kind of want it to stay in the bottle. So that's kind of where this came from. Is I wondered if I could find myself a lab grade Nalgene bottle that was 2 liters. And I did manage to find one. When I looked at the size of the threads up here, I said, I wonder. And I went ahead and I had one of my old Camelbak tops. Or I had an old Camelbak top. That particular one was broken already. Just wanted to see if the threading would go onto it, and it did. It fit. I said, okay, this is really cool. So I went ahead and I ordered a new one that actually did work. Forgot to take the sticker off the top of it there. Just starting to peel up on its own though. But and it works, it fits, it works very, very well. You know, you unscrew your little cap thing here and you fight to get it stuck down in there. Camelbak should take note about that because, you know, you advertise as storing in the lid, but it takes longer to store it in the lid than it does to drink the water. So you got your little spout there, and of course comes off just like it normally would, and it fits perfectly fine. So this has become my new go-to water container when I'm hiking, out on longer hikes where I know that I'm going to be out for a few days and I want to make sure I have a day's worth of water every day. You know, in the morning I'll fill it up and then go out on my hike for the rest of the day. Then fill it up the next morning because I like to make sure I have enough water. But you know, quick tips type video. I just want to show you something cool that I found. Again, this isn't its own product. This is something that you have to put together. So I will have the links in the description for you guys so that you can put it together. It will be this bottle and this top. I don't know if another top will fit it because this is the only one I had to test it with. But if you guys have, you know, other tops or anything like that and you want to experiment with it, be my guest. You know, try it out. Let me know in the comments what other tops fit it. Maybe there's one that I like better that will fit it as well that I don't know about yet. But there you have it, 2-liter water container and these are incredibly durable. If you drop this thing on a rock, it's not going to break. It will get scuffed up, but it's not going to break. Won't leach water, you know, stuff in your water, the whole 9 yards. It's just a great water container. So there you are. Check out the description to see what parts I used and find them on Amazon. And thank you guys for watching. And as always, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.